life has always not been the same. We are saying one abrabon enye pesa da na me base ya ekofo so oba be cancel na eneno me twa adwesi bibi so me say e kai me dwumadi ene ye ye panfo no kromu ha e wo so mo set good example Nama inchirima no yesusu ye to aso e wo say ye panfo no e set good example na ye inchirima no ye to aso na esema me be kano. It takes reasonable people, and I'm calling on the Ghana police, MTT4 should rise up. Where a serious evidence. Come on, I must say about the diagro. Now, so I'm not calling some no. And some way, Hobson Adoye, Mr. Hobson Adoye. The MTTD and the police should invite him and arrest him. This is pure evidence. And now, answer no concern so we do cross for the day ebe bro. And the cross sem na ye koso no. E say nkofo be again maso but e cross sem. Omo no ma no muti omuhunim. And na covid aba. Ye se wo do se we wa wohunim ene wani ase ne onum no. Results are with me e dey nya covid. Timisro sa wonam a ya mo adwem a wo so na munya muhunimu a mutini nipa mu emwa yikura sesem the new normal ne se misro so ho na se muhunimu ekeka wa petition na handkerchief bi na efaye ne ja so do nsa ewewa hunimu a oti muhunimu na wo mokomoko niema na enye papa no ma yin kura sesem na ye live big na bibia anye kama e street ni so we any criticism segmenta me be me twam nsima me ba me de samna nkasa a wo no na me de abro hwa Ghana for chere wadin si bibia so kai biri sa kodie ene ne ba etina kem Ghana for etwe wo sa kodie kansem bebre say akola no te front no so obon seat belt ampa e jitu e condemning if you are advising no but somebody okojina say yen to the so aba as a member of parliament hwe obi waka say masa adey no I want to set a good example. You set a good example. Ya kwan so accident be bia ensie ekofo wu ehwero no nkwa no a result of ekofo be negligence enwe ye a tifi mambo akwan so ni maintain na wu result of or careless driving. You have a Hobson Adoye. You need to set good example. In your video, you were addressing the state. Said the Ghana city or your COVID blame. But listen, the two against you be so. You were in your car, comfortably seated. You were driving. No seat belt. No seat belt. This is a clear evidence. The police must call you and arrest you. Seat belt who emra I want Ghana a board to me. So police are more off and ready, but this is a clear evidence. I want the police to call Honorable Hobson Adoye. Say, get to the old driver and say your video. When you see a Kabeye Ghana assets, Kagana for the Kakwa. I'm telling you, you never say, oh, the party no power. When people need, when you make state barrier, maybe a mine sika up to full a good VAT near Chikonikum. Near Chikonikum, you're calling a ye. No more negligence. Yes. Also, my car will be video. No, no part of just a video. No, not that catch them say. Oh, we need to advise ourselves. when you video who drive na so you video almost seat belt and more come aye adwuma. It's me, I'm entrusting the police this as evidence. So your driver SAA video without seat belt on, he needs to be arrested. I want the MTTD commander, Mr. Honorable Hobson Adoye. The video is on. You can use this video as clear evidence. Or driving without seat belt. Me say, and someone a suffrage and someone won't carry me. I don't know about the carry. We need to be serious as a country. We need to be serious as a country. They be a book car and a road accident. They be a book car for negligence. And I mean a book car. Wow. You see, we pay team and a road accident. See, I said a buyer. I didn't know Ghana, you never tell that war. Now, so I'm on the seat belt. I'm calling on the Ghana Police Service. You can help you, Nimra.
The same for the court in China. Say, hey, you see, I'm Pia Taxo. Was this Ghana Kitamu no family and American? Pointing at Dasso, what Kaya was a Mumfa, a bind the ma bind, Namufanya media to so many. What is Sadia? So for good do. What is Sadia? Nanado Danko Kufado, when ye chow be free, when you mean such a not being moved to sound. That you shall also never did ye, a Friday, never mano. Ah, where's off on today? A too much Magazette president now go free. But to be Gazette, I will say, Yaminipa. What do you mean? President, you don't know why Abu Aniba. Eh? Me say, as it says Sunday, Ujina was sorry them. Now retract it. Now pa president Chow. And yes, sir. You will not rest on this issue. I'm telling you. You will not rest. I mean, after Sunday, I am going to organize a press conference. Call on the authorities in this country to call you to order. To call you to order. The Christian Council, Pentecostal Council, Bishop Conference in the Gagawina, they need to call you to order. Sabi, in some phone, I'll catch the president. You know. What did you do? That president, now we're going to pay on the first one. This country, ever called him. No, we're going to pay this country before so called him. To one mobile from my profile, I can't some phone at the channel. What do you mean? Okay? Me say, what they won't penny to one Sunday, o puppet in the Sunano. Catcher was sorry, must say. Sasam now can you use the word hypocrisy. That's a president here, hypocrite, you know. One card ye, what you are saying.
This is a clear evidence. Yes, this is a clear evidence. The police should call Honorable Hobson Adoye. May you Musani say, Massa, I didn't think I would drive. Now we hear video, now we seat belt. I said, where am I Musani? Odi ho fa, o me kan kire me. Odi ho bim so a o me kan kire me. Your man could be responsible for what they are doing. Abasa Abema Ghana Yakoso. So you celebrity now drive one. Bo seat belt. Neta Jimino. Bo seat belt. Who is here Ghana? Beach ya boy. Me didn't know for Michael. I'm out of here.